Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Charles H. Morris Center and Trustees Garden. It's one of Savannah's most charming wedding and event venues. If we haven't met yet, I'm Barri. I've been a wedding DJ here in Savannah for over 20 years, and believe me, I've seen a venue or two. This channel is going to be all about giving you an inside look at some of Savannah's top wedding spots. We're going to talk to a lot of local trusted vendors, and I'm just going to show you around this beautiful historic city. Certainly, the Morris Center is one of the crown jewels. The building was beautifully restored in 2008 and made its debut as the premier event space for the Savannah Music Festival. Since then, it's hosted everything from elegant weddings to unforgettable galas. We're at the Charles Morris Center in the heart of downtown Savannah. This building is absolutely beautiful. It blends Southern charm and modern elegance. And I want to take you inside and show you why it's a very big favorite of weddings and special events here in Savannah. As we step inside, we're greeted by the grand ballroom. As you can see, it's wide open with elegant wood floors, soaring ceilings, and these gorgeous one-of-a-kind chandeliers. The Grand Ballroom alone is 3,600 square feet, room for 300 guests to dine, dance, and make memories. And just off the ballroom is this brand new modern addition that was once just a big tent. Now, it's a gorgeous 2,500 square foot space with massive windows. Those windows actually open like doors to let the garden air flow in. Pretty amazing, right? Now this space doesn't normally have all this camera equipment in it. I work for a local TV station and we happen to be here filming a promo. Yes, we're multitasking, and yes, that's me, perched on the stool. We were just messing around while waiting for our talent to arrive. I just wanted to show you one of the back spaces that can be used for a multitude of activities. Rain or shine, this beautiful building holds its own. In the back of the building, you could use this for cocktail hour or your ceremony. A green tucked away spot that feels really intimate. If we look over here, you'll see that there's parking. This area is usually used for vendors like caterers and entertainment. And as we turn around, look at this large parking lot. However, you do have to share the parking with the Pirates House. The Charles Morris Center is surrounded by history. It's part of the Trustees Garden, one of Georgia's most historic sites dating back to the original 1733 colony. General James Oglethorpe created this area to be the very first experimental garden. It was basically the OG test kitchen for plants and soil. We're also just steps away from the Pirates House, where real sailors and real rum used to flow. Your wedding could be the next legendary party to happen here. From timeless Southern style to modern updates, the Charles Morris Center is one of Savannah's most versatile venues. Weddings, corporate events, unforgettable celebrations, it all fits right here. And stick around because we're gonna also take a peek at the Kehoe Ironworks in the metal building. 2 more gems on this historic property. Want to see more venues like this? Subscribe to Savannah Wedding Insider. Let's keep unpacking the best of Savannah, one beautiful location at a time.